for joining me today in this Dream It Do It video. It's the last day in this Dream It Do It series. It's day 31 and wow, has that time gone fast. I don't know if it has for you, but it certainly has for me. It's been quite interesting committing to doing a daily video series for every day of the month. Quite a big time commitment, but it's been so much fun. I've amazed myself at how I've been able to keep coming back and extracting new ideas and experiences and trainings to share with you. I feel like it's been a lot of fun and I really hope that it has been useful for you. So you may be wondering what's next. As we sit here on this last day, I'd love for you to have a think back. How far have you come in this time? What progress have you made towards your dreams, towards your goals? Have you been following along with the 12-week year, or have you been following maybe a different process or a different way of setting and achieving goals? And has it been working for you? And most importantly, have you had fun and have you been happy and have you been enjoying your life in this first month of 2022? I really love having goals and hopes and dreams that I can think about every day and work towards achieving, and just that whole process of dreaming big and using my imagination and wondering what if, and then seeing what things I can do, what steps I can take to make at least some of those ideas come into reality in my life. But I also really believe that it's so important to live in the moment and enjoy the now. We should never sacrifice our happiness and our enjoyment now for something that may or may not happen in the future. So it's all about finding a balance. And if you can find a way to experience joy in the act of achieving your goals, in that journey progressing towards your dream, then that is going to bring you joy on a day-to-day basis in the now. So always look to find ways to enjoy the things that you are doing, even if you're pushing yourself to achieve a goal. And always remember to celebrate your success is so important, because when we celebrate, we are telling our subconscious mind, this good thing that I've done, that made me feel good. It's something that I want more of, please. And in celebrating it, your subconscious mind thinks, okay, we'll do that again. So very important to celebrate. At the end of this Dream It Do It series, have a look at what you've achieved. Give yourself a pat on the back. Did you have an idea in mind of how you might celebrate something? Maybe it's giving yourself an extra half an hour to go and take a luxurious bath. Or maybe it's cracking open a bottle of bubbles and having a nice glass of champagne to toast yourself. Whatever it is for you that helps you celebrate, no matter how small or how big, it really is important. As I close off this series, I'd really love to hear from you and for you to let me know how you are progressing, how you're doing. Are you struggling with anything? Where are you having successes? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear. If you're feeling like you're going to struggle and feel a bit lost without your daily dose of Dream It Do It, then why not just restart at video 1 from tomorrow and just do the series again. There's plenty of tips and ideas in there that you can just refresh your memory with over and over. Repetition is a key part of the learning process. So the act of watching trainings and learnings over and over again will help you take them in and ingrain them and take action on them. The other thing that I would say is that I do offer regular trainings and daily access to me as part of my business mentorship. So if that is something that's of interest to you, then I'll drop the link down below and we can talk about how you can get training and mentoring from me moving forwards. Well, as I draw this series to a close, I just want to say it's been an absolute pleasure having you joining me. It's been wonderful having this opportunity to talk to you, to chat to you, have fun and pursue our goals and dreams. I really hope that you've enjoyed the series and that you've got some value from it. If you have found that you've learnt some new things or taken actions that you might not have done before, or you've achieved a goal or a long-term dream in this last month, then do let me know. You can drop a comment below or send me a message. I'd really love to hear, and it makes such a difference to me having put the time in to put all of this series together to know that I've helped you in some small way. Well, I'm going to close this series out and say bye for now. Don't forget, I believe in you, and keep dreaming big.